If you sell supplements, many of your items are being taken down leading up to a May update for certificates of analysis that are affecting many listings. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. This particular screen is increasingly frequently common. You can see here I got a request approval for a product. One of our accounts today got hit with 9 takedowns. You can see that this notice has been coming for some time. Most of this dialogue dates back to February of 2021. Dietary supplement products updated compliance requirements going into effect May 3rd, 2021. Today, it's at time of shooting this video, it's April 23rd, and we're seeing a lot of this come a little early. So in many of my videos, I tell people when it comes to policy changes to be reactive, because Amazon will usually posture, beat their chest, and then back off a little bit. This is not one of those situations. In fact, we're seeing them accelerate their May 3rd plans, and it's basically requiring product level certificate of analyses, and they have to be recent. So one of my clients is spending upwards of like $200,000 this year just on COA testing compliance. They have over 100 SKUs that they are affected with. And so the reason I'm making this video is not because I generally have a lot of solutions on this topic. It's more of an awareness conversation. And what you need to do if you sell supplements on Amazon is make sure that all of your items have a recent COA. All the manufacturers are generally aware of this right now. It does need to be a very specific type of COA. Make sure your COA has your address on it, your company name, and it matches your Seller Central account. It also needs to include all information about the manufacturer, and there are like 7 or 8 other additional requirements that must be present on your COA. And so the question though is like, how do you supply this? Because you can't generally apply it or provide it up front early, and you kind of have to wait for the reactive appeal process, which means your listing is going to go down. The whole process stinks. It's completely a train wreck. And so my advice to you, though, we're a couple weeks away from this May 3rd deadline. You're going to see a lot of supplements go offline. May 3rd, I bet you we may see 25% of the top 100 supplements on Amazon disappear. It's going to happen. It's coming. It's a big piece of news. Even if you don't sell supplements and you're watching this video out of morbid curiosity, it's generally good and helpful for you to know like what's happening in other categories, because guess what? If it happens in this one, it could happen in yours eventually. And so we've seen a lot of other category-specific requirements start in health-related products and then slowly migrate into other categories. Now, this type of thing, obviously a COA requirement, it's not going to go to anywhere that's not topical or consumable, but we're definitely going to see additional policy requirements, documentation, safety things increasingly become mandatory, like CPC requirements for child protection of toys and other things like that. So we're entering the maturity phase of Amazon. You will see more changes come out of Amazon for policies, for procedures. And my hope is that Amazon gets the cue. They got to be a little bit more transparent for what they're looking for, because if they don't, it's a pretty big challenge for sellers to give Amazon what they're looking for. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. If you have any questions about COAs, leave it in the comment section. Let's make a little small community around COAs on this particular video. I will answer them as best I can.